Hi guys, so today is going to be a really tiny haul. This is all from the Dollar Tree, and my 13-year-old daughter will be graduating. She'll have her 8th grade promotion on Friday. So I purchased a few items for her graduation, and I'm really excited to share what I got for her with you guys. So the first item that I picked up was this little cute grad unicorn. It's a little decor table item. I thought it was really cute. She might get a kick out of this. She hasn't seen it yet. These are all surprise items. I got her a card from the Dollar Tree, and my daughter has received straight A's throughout this whole time. I'm really proud of her. I also purchased some balloons for the wall to congratulate her. The first one says grad, the second one says congrats, so it'll be congrats grad. I'll put one above the other. And these are inflatable with a straw, super easy, $1 each. I also picked up really cute a banner, pre-made. It has gold, silver, and black. Lay that along the wall or table and surprise her. And the final thing that I picked up were these little hanging decorations that say, "Celebrate, you did it, grad 2021," and it comes with 3, and this will be super adorable. I will vlog the day that she graduates and has her 8th grade promotion, so you guys can tag along and see what's going on and see how adorable it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe so you can see that video. Hit the bell notification. Like the video so it'll help with the algorithm. And leave a comment. Love to know what your favorite item that I picked out for her graduation is. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye.